So again, hello, welcome back. Again, this is not going to be a long life tonight. So again, what is a surge protection? A surge protector, also known as a surge suppressor, is a device that is made to protect electronic equipment from unwanted power, surges, or spikes. It takes only a tiny amount of voltage increase to damage most of today's sensitive electronics. Again, surge protector is a device that safeguards electronic equipment from damaging power surges, which are sudden, temporary increases in voltage. It works by absorbing excess energy from a power spike and diverting it to the ground wire, protecting connected devices from potential damages. Again, it diverts excess energy when a power surge occurs. Internal components, most commonly metal oxide resistors or MOVs, conducts the excess current and divert it to the ground wire instead of allowing it to flow to your electronics. Limits voltage. It limits the voltage supplied to the device to a safe predetermined threshold. And again, it protects from various causes. Surges can be caused by lightning, high power appliances cycling on and off, or problems with your home wiring. Key features to look for is Joule rating. This indicates the amount of energy the surge protector can absorb before it fails. A higher rating offers more protection. Indicator lights. Some surge protectors have lights to confirm they are functioning correctly and protecting your devices. And data line protection. Some models offer additional protection for data lines such as coaxial and Ethernet cable. Surge protectors versus power strips. Do not confuse a surge protector with a power strip, which simply provides multiple outlets and offers no protection against power surge. So the regular plug-in cords that you use that have multiple outlets. It's just a normal power strip, which is not going to really do anything when it comes to protecting your devices. So again, look for labels indicating surge protection, surge suppressors, or jury rating on the packaging to ensure you are getting a true surge protector. So again, that's the explanation of the surge protection. Again, it's helps to protect your equipment and so on, depending on what you're doing. In case of a uh, lightning or in case of your power going off and you have stuff that you don't want to get damaged, that's what you normally will use. So people who are located in places where they're going to have a lot of rain, a lot of storms and stuff like that, um, even blackouts and stuff like that, uh, will probably benefit from that. Uh, So that was the explanation of the GFCI protection, AFCI breakers, and surge protection, again, according to the OESC 2024 electrical code. And again, under the electrical Canadian Electrical Code, your surge protection device must be properly bonded. If you're wiring a GFCI outlet or installing an AFCI breaker, remember these OESC 2024 updates. So I'm going to be running possibly two more videos here before I log off the live. Uh, the same screw. And again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. Okay, now I will install my breakers. Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel is not. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys enter, just hit the don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. And in today's video, this panel is a 100 amp panel located on the second floor of the home, and it's going to be the main supply for the second floor, where it's going to be feeding lighting, receptacles, also there's going to be a boiler up there, and it's going to also have hand towels and so on. So again, sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So again, it's just a quick tour. This here is the theater room. Yes, Kubuzi. Most everything here is pot lights. There are a couple center lights upstairs, but everything in the house is pretty. Is pot lights. Yes, these are all speakers on the side here. One, two, three. Um, this is going to be a little small bar kitchen area here. We're going to have a sink here. Eventually, I have to run some type of lighting for the, I believe, for the benches, something like that. Yeah, movement TV is pretty huge. It's just it's a family, it's a theater room. So now you can see with all the lights on here. Um, it is a pretty big, huge ass house. Yeah, bro, it's pretty huge. Yeah. These are the towels that they're using. I don't want to step on it. I don't think it's fresh, but this is just a back room, and here is going to have the the system for the speakers. And this is the stairs. This is the elevator here. Um, that's going to go all the way up to the second floor. I still have to put a light and a plug inside
So
of
again, if you found this breakdown of
this area, which
AFCI,
is required by
GFCI, and surge
code.
protection helpful,
So these
subscribe for
are
more electrical
basically
code
my
tutorials and OESC
my lights
2024 live stream from
that's
Fabian
coming
Electrical
down,
Services Inc.
as you can see.
So again, for
So
all
again,
those who
these
are
are all
tuning in
pot
to
lights that
the
I'm
live
using.
stream, you can catch the live stream on the
In the
replay.
basement,
This
there's no
will
center
be
light.
the
In
last
the basement,
video.
it's all pot lights. This area, I still have to put the light in. This is a gym. This area is going to be a gym. So you're not going to see anything right now because it's pretty dark. I still have to do the lighting in here. But yeah, this area is going to have a gym. You can see there are all pot lights in here. This pot lights are QBZ. Uh, there's no, I didn't put the lighting in right now because I wasn't working.
So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. That was the last video that I was going to be playing for the night. Again, if you found this breakdown of AFCI, GFCI, and surge protection helpful, subscribe for more electrical code tutorials and OESC 2024 live stream from Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Again, I'd like to thank you guys all
for tuning in to tonight's live stream. Again, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that your notification is turned to all, so that you do receive my videos and my live streams when I do go live. Just make sure it's hit to all. And I would like to thank you guys all again for tuning in to tonight's live stream, and I will catch you guys on the next live.